Very warm welcome. I'm just trying to cram this video in before we lose the light, so I'm hoping the colour blue metallic will come through okay on the video. Let's try it anyway. So welcome to Phil Weaver, first of all, Phil Weaver Automotive. Phil's had over 30 years experience in the industry and has over 200 plus 5-star reviews through Auto Trader, Google and Facebook. This is a 2014 64 registered Audi A4 2-litre TDI with the S-Line specification, 38,000 miles, with a service book and service history, 2 keys and a full book pack. Each vehicle that Phil sells is available with nationwide delivery, car finance, part exchange, and undergoes a written inspection in our workshop with documents to show what has been done, if anything was done other than the inspection, so you can buy the vehicle with peace of mind knowing it will be absolutely tick-tock. And as I say, we have over 200 5-star reviews. So we have a beautiful deep blue metallic Audi A4 6-speed manual, sitting on the matching tyres all round, in overall great condition. No smells inside the car. It's not been a smoker's car, nor has it carried pets. The A4 has been a very strong selling car for Audi over the last 10 years or so, and obviously following on from the Audi A4 that was equally as powerful for them in the 80s and early 90s. This is shared a platform with the Seat. Seat have shared the platform, the A4, and probably also Skoda have shared the same platform as well, part of the Audi VW group encompassing Skoda, Seat, Audi and Skoda. There we go, that's the rear of the vehicle. You do have a lower diffuser finished in matte graphite grey, matte finish, and these lovely backlight lenses, LED effect. A usable amount of boot space, and there is underfloor storage and also a spare wheel. It's a 5-seater vehicle, 4 comfortably, but it can take 5 people. This is where we may struggle once we go inside the car, obviously for lighting. Well, let's just try it anyway. So the bleeping you can hear maybe is I've got the engine running with the key in the ignition, so it just bleeps at you when you have the door open to turn the engine off and take the key with you. So it's performing what it should be. 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, unlock and lock, and a remote release for the boot should you require access that way. S-Line in the door aperture, and this nice half leather Alcantara seating with S-Line embossed into both front seats. Very comfortable car indeed when you're on the move. And I'll just close the door, and I'm just hopeful that we can still get some of the let me just see if we can put the light on actually. Let's just put the light on, there we go. That might be an idea, David. Oh, that's not a bad idea really. So there we go. Lovely car. 6-speed gearbox. Nice large display there, that's for the parking sensors. There's your navigation. You've got your radio, which is DAB as well. Media. So let's just go back to radio. Navigation. All that there is controlled down here. So what you'll see, if I can just quickly show you, you'll see in each corner of the screen, this has got destination, settings, info and tour. So what you do then is you come to the control here, and these 4 aluminium brushed control units, you press down on one I'm going to press down on the information, and what you'll find then is it'll come up with information. So any traffic jams, hold-ups, roadworks, etc., where they are, and roughly how long the jam is of slow moving or stationary traffic. So useful little touch there. There is your key, and we do have another key. You've got cruise control just in there, and you've got a digital speedometer, and it's covered 38,360 miles, and that is absolutely guaranteed. This is your S-line steering wheel. Again, rather nice. Auto headlights. Climate control. You get two, with the Audi multimedia, you get 2 slots for SDs to play music from, and you've also got a CD player, may even be a DVD player, but let's call it a CD player for now anyway. So nice. Oh, and heated seats, that's a benefit. That's another extra that was with the car. It's not standard, it's an optional extra. So both front seats are heated, so a really nice car. 12-volt power socket just in there. Yeah, a very pleasant car to be sat inside indeed. And it's got over 200 miles of fuel, so the lucky buyer will have enough for his or her return journey home if you come up to see it here at Phil Weaver. So once again, just before we close down on the video, we've got a blue metallic 2014 64 plate, 38,000 miles Audi A4 S-Line manual 6-speed saloon with a full service record, and it's low mileage. Matching tyres in overall fantastic condition. So please do feel free to get in touch with Phil. Visit the website www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. All our contact details are on there, but please do telephone before you travel to not only make sure that we're available, but make sure the car hasn't been sold. We do have a reputation for moving cars within the first 6 weeks, so we price check everything nationally, so we are very, very comfortable and confident we will offer exceptional value for what you're looking at. I'll have a fabulous day, and we hope to hear off you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.